Welcome, everyone. Today I am going to talk about why satellites orbit the Earth and why planets orbit the Sun. Why do satellites orbit the Earth? There are many objects in the universe, and all these objects exert mutual gravitational forces on each other. Similarly, a satellite orbiting the Earth also exerts a force directed towards the Earth. This is what we commonly call the weight of the satellite. Of course, if the satellites did not orbit the Earth, the satellites would fall to the ground due to this gravitational force. But since any object in orbit is subject to a centrifugal force away from the center of motion relative to that object, when this centrifugal force and the force of gravity are equal, the satellite remains in its orbit without falling to the Earth. Why do planets revolve around the Sun? Now it is easy for us to understand this fact. If the planets do not revolve around the Sun, then all the planets should fall on the Sun. But this is not the case. Since the planets revolve around the Sun, a centrifugal force is formed on the planets, so the planets continue to revolve in their own orbits and do not fall on the Sun. Think. In this way, solar systems also revolve around a black hole. Such a system of solar systems with a black hole as its center is called a galaxy. This circle must also revolve around something else. The central circle must also revolve around something else. That system must also revolve around something else. Then all the objects in the universe must rotate. So can you explain absolute stillness?